Noon guys, nanalo tayo ng 100 guys, 100 X World guys. So paano ako nanalo guys ng X World apps guys? So dito guys, kasi bumili ako ng 300, so biglang ang lumabas dito is 124. 'Di ba yung hash power kasi nagbili ako guys ng 300 guys. So para malaman nyo guys, ayun, tingnan nyo guys, 300 world. So, yung 300 volts, yan yung binili ko. Ang naidagdag guys is itong 90 plus 10 plus 10. So, 120 guys. So, ayun siya. So, tingnan nyo guys, 300. Yan yung 300 na para sa upgrade ng ang aking pets guys. So, paano ako nanalo guys ng X-Word na 100 guys? So, how? How can we earn 100 X-Word guys? So, here is the reason guys. So, as you can see guys, itong look out the hours. As you can see, 6 hours. So, nag-countdown siya ng 10 seconds guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So, in 5 seconds guys, nag-ano ako ng 0.1 seconds. Tinamaan ko guys yung 0.1 seconds guys. Ito, nakakuha ko ng 100 dito guys. Ako itong pangalawa guys. So, nakakuha ako ng 100 world guys. So, I didn't expect guys na mananalo ako dito guys. Ang ginawa ko lang is we need to set a time guys. So nag-set ako ng time, tapos after 10 seconds, nag-click na ako ng mine. You need to do is to click mine in buy hash power. So make it sure your balance here is 300. So after I buy my hash power, so yun, lumabas, then I have 100 X world. So I have earned, and also the first mining here, I will wait my mining here. I will wait the result of my level 5 Aura X guys. So I have earned from here. If I try to so look out guys, kasi I think you, so since negative 200 to a negative 2%, so I will not trade this to sell because it's too slow. It's too low. So we will look out to, since 0.9%, so we will sell it guys. No. So i-sell ko to guys, so equivalent of 300 pesos. So ito guys, try natin. Baka sabihin nyo scam. Ayun, for $4, equivalent to $4 guys. So ayun guys, lumabas siya guys. Then we will wait the result guys. Has been completed. We will withdraw guys, so equivalent of 369, but it doesn't mean 0 kasi dagdag niya yung invest ko dito. So here are $4.76, so equivalent of 240.77. So I will post here because baka makita nyo yung account. So ayun guys, nag-ano ako guys. So as you can see, we will wait for 30 seconds and 2 minutes guys. So to 4.75 US dollar. So we will wait guys. So wait lang guys. Baka patunayan ko sa inyo guys na totoo. Here is the legit earning apps. So here is my proven, like 500, 58, 61, 70, 80, 100 guys. So we will wait for the complete of these 277. So for this guys, and do not assume that you can win. So to make it sure that you can win, just click this mining within do you see for example 10 seconds. So click mining, then mine. So here is the previous based on my page, but I buy a new Sprite. So you need by before you click that, make it sure that 10 seconds here, remaining 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, so we you can see you are to get a chance for winning like this. So I have earned also a 90x words, as you can see my history here. So we do not want you to force for buying this, because if you do not fuck yourself if you don't have money. Okay, thank you. Here is the update, guys. So as you can see, I received 277. So this is the time. So we will back to our games. So to prove that I am this apps is very legit. We do not want you to think or overthink that this apps is not. As you can see, withdrawal is successful. It's loading. So here is so completed, and as you can see the proof here 277. So that's all, guys.